In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, one phrase stands out as a beacon of innovation: generative AI. This revolutionary concept is poised to redefine the very essence of content creation, promising to unlock new frontiers in creativity and redefine the boundaries of what's possible. But what exactly is generative AI, and how is it set to revolutionize the world of content creation? Picture a world where ideas come to life at your fingertips, where imagination knows no bounds, and where content creation becomes an art form like never before. That's the world that generative AI is here to usher in. But it's not just about creating anything. It's about crafting content that resonates with audiences on a deeper level, telling stories that captivate, and sharing experiences that leave a lasting impact. Join us on this journey as we delve into the heart of generative AI, exploring its capabilities, benefits, and the exciting opportunities it presents for content creators of all kinds. Get ready to be amazed by the potential that lies within this transformative technology and discover how it can help you unlock your creative superpowers. But first, let's start with the basics. What exactly is generative AI and how does it work? Generative AI refers to artificial intelligence systems that are capable of generating new content, whether it's text, images, audio, or video, that resembles the style and format of the data they were trained on. Unlike traditional AI systems that are designed to perform a specific task, generative AI models are trained on vast amounts of data and can generate new content that mimics the patterns and styles present in that data. One of the most popular examples of generative AI is Chat, a language model that uses deep learning algorithms to generate human-like responses to natural language inputs. When you chat with Chat, it analyzes your input and generates a response based on the patterns and relationships between words that it has learned during its training. Another popular example is DALL-E 2, an image generation model that uses a technique called diffusion to create realistic images from text descriptions. DALL-E 2 takes your text input, generates an image that matches that description, and refines the image over time until it is indistinguishable from a real photo. Now that we have a basic understanding of generative AI, let's explore how it is set to revolutionize the field of content creation. One of the most significant ways that generative AI is transforming content creation is by making it more accessible to a wider audience. With tools like Chat and DALL-E 2, anyone with an internet connection can generate high-quality content without the need for specialized skills or equipment. This opens up the door for new voices and perspectives to emerge, fostering a more diverse and inclusive content creation ecosystem. Furthermore, generative AI is helping content creators to overcome creative roadblocks and generate ideas that they may not have thought of otherwise. By analyzing vast amounts of data, these models can identify trends and patterns that humans may not be able to detect, leading to new and innovative content ideas. For example, a writer's block can use Chat to generate story ideas, or a content creator can turn to DALL-E 2 to create unique and eye-catching visuals. Another way that generative AI is revolutionizing content creation is by automating repetitive tasks and allowing creators to focus on more strategic aspects of their work. For instance, Chat can help writers with grammar and spelling, while DALL-E 2 can generate product mock-ups or social media graphics. By automating these routine tasks, content creators can free up their time and energy to focus on higher-level activities, such as developing new content strategies or engaging with their audience. This leads us to another exciting aspect of generative AI's impact on content creation: the ability to personalize the content experience for the audience. With tools like Chat and DALL-E 2, content creators can tailor their content to the interests and preferences of their audience, providing a more engaging and relevant experience. For example, a content creator could use Chat to generate a quiz that tests their audience's knowledge of a particular topic, or use DALL-E to create images that feature their audience's favorite products. This level of personalization helps to build stronger connections with the audience and creates a more loyal fan base. The impact of generative AI on content creation doesn't end there. In the world of video production, for example, generative AI is being used to create realistic avatars and virtual characters that can be used in animated videos or virtual worlds. This technology opens up new possibilities for storytelling and can make video production more cost-effective and efficient. Moreover, generative AI is also being used to enhance the video editing process, allowing editors to create complex effects and transitions with just a few clicks of a button. As we continue to explore the potential of generative AI in content creation, it's important to consider its limitations and potential drawbacks. One of the main concerns surrounding generative AI is the potential for job displacement as machines become more capable of producing content. There is a risk that human creators may be replaced. However, it's important to remember that generative AI is still in its early stages of development, and there is a lot of room for human creativity and expertise to shine through. Instead of replacing human creators, generative AI should be seen as a tool to augment their abilities and help them produce even better content. Another concern is the potential for bias and discrimination as generative AI models are trained on existing datasets. They can perpetuate and even amplify existing biases, leading to unfair or discriminatory content. It is important for developers and users of generative AI to be aware of these potential biases and to take steps to mitigate them. By promoting diversity and inclusion in the datasets used to train generative AI models, we can help ensure that they produce fair and equitable content for everyone. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of generative AI for content creation are too great to ignore. As the technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more innovative applications that push the boundaries of creativity and storytelling. Embracing generative AI and learning how to use it effectively will be crucial for any content creator who wants to stay ahead of the curve and thrive in the ever-evolving digital landscape. So, the next time you sit down to create content, don't be afraid to experiment with generative AI. Try using tools like Chat and DALL-E to generate ideas, automate tasks, and personalize the content experience for your audience. You never know what you might create and the impact it could have on the world of content creation. As we wrap up our discussion on generative AI and its impact on content creation, we want to leave you with a sense of excitement and possibility. The potential for this technology is truly limitless, and we encourage you to embrace it and explore all the creative opportunities it offers. Remember that generative AI is not just a passing fad or a short-term trend. It's a fundamental shift in the way content is created and consumed. And those who embrace it early on will be well positioned to thrive in the years to come. So don't wait. Start experimenting with generative AI today and see what amazing things you can create. Who knows? You may just be at the forefront of a new era of content creation. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insightful tech content. Let us know in the comments below how you think generative AI will shape the future of content creation. We can't wait to see what you come up with. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.